Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of Math 114. This week you're going to be asked to calculate the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of data sets. And it's really simple to do in Excel, so I just wanted to show you how. Here's a sample homework problem, and you'll notice that I have a data set, and right to the right of it there's a little icon. And if you click that icon, it gives you the option to open this data set in Excel. So that's what you want to do. You want to click that. And then you'll see I have a couple of things pop up down at the bottom of the screen. So I want to click Save, and then I want to click Open. And it'll bring up the data set in Excel. Really super nice. That way you don't have to type it and look back at the screen and type the next number and things like that. It just opens up for you. You'll want to click that Enable Editing so that you can make changes to this spreadsheet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the mean. To do that, I can click into a cell, and then I'm going to type an equal sign. The equal sign in Excel lets it know that you're going to be inputting a formula, so you always need to put the equal sign in there. So I want to find the mean, and the formula for finding the mean is average. So I'm going to type in average, and then a left parenthesis, and then you need to highlight your data. So I'm going to highlight all my numbers. And then I put a right parenthesis, and then I hit enter, and there it is. There's my mean. The next thing I want to calculate is my median. So again, I put in an equal sign, and I type the word median, then a left parenthesis, and then I highlight my data, then a right parenthesis, and then hit enter. There's your median of your data set. The next thing I want to get is my mode. This one's a little bit trickier. You're going to put in your equal sign, and then as I type in mode, you'll notice a bunch of different options come up. So I want this one that says mode dot single. So I'm going to highlight that. Then I'm going to highlight my data again, type in a right parenthesis, and hit enter. And you'll notice 48 is the mode. That's the number that occurs the most in a data set. The next thing you'll be asked to calculate on some of the problems is the standard deviation. And this is the same type of thing. You're going to type in the equal sign, and then standard deviation is just STDEV. And then a left parenthesis, highlight your data. Try to get all of it this time. My mouse is having problems. Hang on. There we go. And then your right parenthesis, and then hit enter. And there's your standard deviation. So hopefully this will help you as you go through the problems. Some of them will ask you to take out an outlier and see how it affects the data. So say for example you discovered that 71 was an outlier, you could just come up there and then hit your delete button, and it's going to automatically change your mean, your median, and your mode on its own, and your standard deviation. So that's really nice. Hopefully this will help you as you go through the homework problems this week. Thanks.